I have family of roaches living with me. The thing is, they don't pay rent in this apartment. So I bought bait for roaches. Contains 8 bait stations. Yep. I already used 4 bait stations. I have 4 left. And let's see how they react to it. I'm gonna show you guys. Because I hated them. Mga feeling butterfly makalipad tayo. So, kailangan natin silang patayin kasi pag-uhay pa ko ng Tagalog, English, basta makasabot ako. Pag-uhay pa ko naglimpyo sa kaniyang mga tai sa mga kailangan natong patyon. Moment of truth. Oh my god. Oh my god. I'm scared. Shoot. Look at that family of roaches under the sink. They're eating the bait, guys. Disgusting. Their poop was under this sink. It was here. And it stinks. I just cleaned it and look at that. They have new poop again. From piston. Wow, kabaho. Dinispikas way ako. Tinira sila ng puyo dahil na. Tinira sila ng puyo. And I guess I saw a baby roach here. Ay, itlog ko to. Murag yung balik sa lungga agatong nagkita na ako maning kamang dinhi ang kabinet. Diyos ko Lord. Tapos lang tawa ni dagay mga iti. This is what roach's poop looks like.